Hey there, and happy May. I'm coming to you today to show you some fabulous things I got from JustFab. I think I stocked up just a little bit, but I did have my birthday money to spend. Yes, they give you a birthday present, and there was a sale, and I'm going on vacation, so I got a lot of stuff. I have on my How About No shirt today because I have a lot to do, and I need people to let me do it. So first of all, there was a pair of jeans that I desperately wanted, and you'll see why as soon as I show them to you. And they finally came in stock, and I got them. You know all about the perks they send you. That was one of them. Check out these jeans. I love them. They're cropped, and they have the best detail on the bottom. Aren't they awesome? Totally in love with them, and I can't wait to wear them. And that's not it. I ordered those right away before I had the rest of my order ready, so I didn't miss out on them. But then I got this gigantic bag that's quite heavy, and let's open it and share the joy together. So it's all from JustFab for the month of May. This is so beautiful. I haven't seen it in person, but I fell in love with it on the website. We're going to New Orleans with JustFab and Shoe Dazzle very soon, and I had to get a few things to wear there. We're having our annual summit, and I thought this would be great. It's chiffon. It feels amazing, and it's going to be super hot, so it is super light, and I'm trying my hardest to show it to you live, and you know how that goes sometimes. Alright, I think I got it. It's a beautiful printed dress. I think it's going to be just great. JustFab, I should say. I'm excited to wear it. I couldn't resist more of their flip-flops because the patterns are amazing and they're so inexpensive. And you know they come in these bags. You saw me struggle last month, so there's no surprise. But look how cute these are. It goes on and on. So the dress is the halter chiffon dress. And then I got a whole bunch of summer shoes because I really needed some neutral colors. You know how badly I needed shoes, I'm sure. These are called Jewel, and the color is Blush. Oh, they are pretty. They really are beautiful. I love when you open them up for the first time and they're like more amazing than you imagined. So pretty. Love them. I love the zipper in the back too. Okay, move on. And I got some wedges called Chantal. And also in a very natural color, so it'll go with everything. These are great for running around. They have a little wedge, definitely not too high, and again, the zipper in the back. Perfect. And just one more, I promise. And these are called Blair, and the color is Champagne. Ooh, they're beautiful. They're bejeweled. And I love them. Now these have the buckle, so I'll have to leave myself an extra 25-30 minutes in the morning to get them on. I usually won't even buy a buckle, but I just thought they were so pretty, and I was right. Really pretty. Okay, I'm in love with everything. As I try them on and wear them, I'll be posting pictures. And remember, if you're not a member yet, you really should be. Just click on my link and you'll get a really special deal on your first order. and you'll love the deals you get every month. So have a great May, and I'll see you in June. Take care.